Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the SmartDEVIL car phone holder. On the front of the box, we have an image of the smartphone holder. Underneath the image, we have a description saying Atom Air Outlet Car Bracket, which basically signifies that it can be attached to the air vents, the AC air vents of a car, and you can use that to hold the smartphone using this bracket. Underneath that, we have a couple of the salient features, which include multi-angle rotation, multi-size adjustment, and full metal arms. The top and the bottom simply has some SmartDEVIL branding. There's nothing on the right or left hand side. On the back, we have an image of the product in use. As you can see, it is on the AC vents of a car. Underneath that, we have a few of the specifications like its size, which is 100 by 97 by 90 millimeters. It's compatible with phone sizes that range from 4.7 inches to 6.5 inches in width. Over here, we have the materials that are used in the construction of this product, which is aluminum alloys, plastic composites, and silicon. Over here, we have the net weight, which is 56 grams. On the bottom, we have some of the information regarding the manufacturer, and that is about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, what we get is some reading material in the form of warranty instructions. This should help you activate and register the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have the product itself. It comes in its disassembled state out of the box. So let's start with this part first. So we have a ball head over here. This is the part that attaches to the phone holder mount of the product, and on the other hand we have these two rubberized arms that clip on to the AC vents in the car. So they are quite tight, and once securely fit on the vents, it should not move about much. The ball mount side basically gets attached to the phone holder mount like this. We'll show it to you right now. And we can screw it tightly in place. The phone holder part of the product is actually quite simple and has a really clever design where if weight is attached to the bottom, the side arms clamp and secure the phone in place. So let's see that in action right now. Overall, the product has a matte finish and there is some silver highlighting around the middle. All the surfaces that will be touching the smartphone are rubberized and anti-scratch, so you should not be worried about scratching up your smartphone while placing it in this clamp. On the back, we have the simple matte gray finish, and that's about it. SmartDEVIL branding right in the middle. So this was the unboxing of the SmartDEVIL car phone holder. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.